Okay, for all you guys out there that were asking about how good the paint booth that I put up, one of those party canopies, yeah, how it stood up, how it worked. Look at this. The wind is insane. The one day that I want to paint, and I did, the wind's blowing like 100 miles an hour. It is. It's like, look at that. Yeah, that's crazy. I do have it taped down. I have the size taped down with Gorilla Tape. I have sandbags holding up holding down the legs. But let me show you what we got going on here. All right. Here it is, y'all. Huh? Look at that. Look at the way the wind's just blowing everything everywhere. But I still was able to go ahead and paint. I did it anyways. Yeah, I got some dust and everything and some dirt, but you know what? All in all, it worked great. Look at that. This, for all you guys that can't afford a paint booth and stuff, these pop-up canopies, they work great. Look at that. Okay. Can you hear look at that? I mean, it's like literally like blowing me all over the place. So, there you have it. Painting in the wind. It's insane. Ugh. So, anyways, the canopy paid for itself. It did a great job. It's windy as hell, but you know what? It held up. It let me paint with no problem whatsoever, and it did great. It was a good investment for someone who doesn't have the means of a paint booth or a garage or a shop or anything like that. So yes, it does work. All right. Thanks a lot, guys, for all your comments and for asking, and I hope you like this video.